In this blog, we will see what is a function, how to declare a function, and what are the usages of using a function in programming. So, in our previous tutorials in this Kotlin series, we have seen the introduction to Kotlin, variables declaration and specifying their data types, and also looping concepts. So in this part of the tutorial we will be seeing what are functions and how many types of functions we can declare in our programming. So for example, we want to add a two numbers here. Consider 10 and 20. So and we are declaring another variable result, by using which we are adding these two variables, and later we will print it onto the screen here. So when you run this programming, no doubt you will be getting the output 30. But what if you want to have this particular same task of adding two numbers 10 or 20 times in your program? Will you be doing the same every time? Of course, it is right. Performing the task, you need to perform the code, but using the same code several times, don't you think it's wastage of your resources? So, for which we can create a small function here. Let us create a function. So, here the keyword is fun. So, by typing fun, the compiler understands that we are trying to create a function. So, here we are just pasting the code which we have used above. So whenever we require to perform this particular task, no need of semicolon here. So we can just call this particular method, that is function, and you will be getting the same output here. So even if you change the numbers, it will perform the same task, and you can call this particular function any number of times in your code. If you are a beginner, you can also follow our Kotlin series. I am providing the link in the description section below, and also if you have faced any queries in this particular tutorial, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content.